Yes, my friend Sam.
What?
I'm very tired. My back is paining me.
Me too, but I need more money for rent.
Me too, I need the money.
Yes, Harry.
Yes.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. Just rest a bit.
You're working for a whole day, you're getting 2,000.
I've been here for 15 years. Can you imagine this factory?
Hey, Bwana, what are you doing?
We are working, sir.
You are just relaxing. We are not making any good.
We are working, sir.
No good to sell.
We are working.
No
sir.
paying you now. No paying you. I'm
we are
just
working.
going to send you away.
I've been here for
Quickly,
15
I'm
years.
going to send you away.
You are working.
This is not a factory for your mama. Okay?
No, sir.
You are going or not?
I've been working here for 15 years,
You are going
sir.
or not?
Just
If not, I'm calling askari. Askari, twala bantu wanokuruya. Ndibenda wano mjelu mondeka. Harakisha tena.
Dad, how are you?
Fine, my son. How are you?
But Dad, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
When am I going back to school?
Very soon, I'll get you a school fees. Don't worry.
My friends are at school, man.
Don't mind me. I know.
Dad, no.
I've said I'll pay you the school fees.
Okay.
You wait.
Hi, Dad.
Yes,
how
my
are
son.
you,
I'm fine.
son? Where's my mom, Dad?
Your mom, she's on her way coming.
At what time is she coming
I don't
back?
know, but I know she's on her way coming.
Wait, okay.
Akomao.
Mommy.
Kakati ndese ekibala kino mu kisimbe tunaalyangako munaalyoko ebibala nga bwenyumyamu ne taata wammwe mugira musimba.
Hi, mama.
Kakati sebo oli kusajja gusiru nnyo. Lwaki abaana bali wano?
Botoyogera mu nju yange.
Lwaki abaana bali wano?
I know, those
Zino
are my
nnaku
kids.
za kusoma abaana balina kubeera ku ssomero.
You don't have to remind me my responsibility. I've been taking care of those
Oli
kids.
kusajja gusiru nnyo era nakuleka wano nga manyi oli kisirusiru oli
You
kiwuka
can't
tojja
talk to me
kubamu
like
na
that.
magezi
Andi
gakola
kwogera
kintu
naye,
kye
ino mu nju yange
nakugamba.
oyogera nange bw'otyo.
Abaana ne babeera wane n'abange be nazaala. Oba ogenda ewa Saara nakukowa dda.
I have stress. Obwana bundiko bagala kawunga, bagala genda ku ssomero.
Baye ku muceere.
Sente weziri buli mu gwaweddewo.
Ozambadde seerabidde. Ne kati ky'olinawo ku ddiiru.
Sina ddiiru naawe. Tunampweddemu olaawe enkozi.
N'omanyi ki? Nina pulaani.
Pulaani ki?
Tukire tuteme ku miti. Weekanze.
Sitemanga ku mitima.
Ani yali atemyeko?
Kimenya amateeka ekyo.
Kimenya ne tutemayo ogwa. Gumu gwokka.
Okay, only once. Gundi gumu gwokka.
Gwokka.
Yofuna ebikola. Do you see anyone there?
No one is here. Anybody there?
No, no one this way. Do you see anyone there?
This side is
Hey, Kajin! You stay down. Forgive me. Kwani you wanna katakata nini? Police. Chichi nkuma bukumi.
All right, everyone pause. We're going to ask your opinions today. What do you think should happen to these two men?
imprison them.
They should be sensitized on the dangers of destroying the environment.
Since they had no money, they should help and be taught other than cutting down the trees.